In the 1600s, many people believed insects simply appeared from mud and decay. But one woman uncovered a hidden transformation the world barely understood. Her name was Sibylla Merian, and she changed how humanity saw nature forever. Born in 1647, Sibylla Merian became fascinated by insects as a child. While most people ignored creatures like caterpillars and moths, Merian carefully observed them. She collected insects, studied their transformations, and painted what she saw with extraordinary detail. At a time when science was dominated by men, Merian combined art and observation to reveal something revolutionary. For centuries, many people believed insects emerged spontaneously from dirt, mud, or rotting material. But Merian discovered something different. She carefully documented the entire life cycle of insects: egg, larva, chrysalis, and finally transformation into butterflies and moths. Her illustrations revealed metamorphosis with a level of scientific accuracy the world had rarely seen before. Then, at an age when most women of her time rarely traveled alone, Sibylla Merian sailed to South America. In the rainforests of Suriname, she studied exotic insects and plants unlike anything Europeans had seen before. Surrounded by heat, storms, and dangerous conditions, Merian continued documenting nature with remarkable precision. Her work transformed both art and science. Today, Sibylla Merian is recognized as one of the pioneers of entomology, the scientific study of insects. Her observations helped transform how scientists understood life cycles, ecosystems, and the natural world itself. The woman, once dismissed as simply an artist, became one of history's most important scientific observers. And through butterflies, transformation, and curiosity, she revealed a hidden world humanity had failed to see.